Okay, so now you have your TurnItIn account set up, and you need to know how do you use it for this revision assignment. So here's what you do. You click the class, and you will see it has, welcome to your new class page. Just get rid of that. Okay, you'll see it has revision paper, assignment inbox. You want to submit a paper. Now, it is okay and highly encouraged for you to submit your paper early, because if you don't like what you see on it, then you can have time to change it. So let's hit submit. And you have two options, single file upload and cut and paste upload. We want the single file upload. You can title your paper however you want to. And then let's just choose it straight from Google Drive. Now, it may ask you for permission. I've already done this before, so I've already given it permission. Go ahead and give TurnItIn permission to look at your Google Drive. All right, so we want to find documents. And here's my bad paper that I'm going to submit. And it'll say upload. And it'll give you a chance to look at it to see, is this actually the paper you want to upload? And once you decide, yes, it is, you hit confirm. Then you hit return to assignment list. All right, now you see where it says processing? I could leave it right here and wait for it to stop processing, but it will not automatically just refresh itself. So you got to give it some time. How long? TurnItIn might give you your rating, 30 seconds after you submit it, 30 minutes after you submit it, 5 hours after you submit it. It all depends. Typically, what I have found is the closer you are to the due date of this assignment, the longer it seems to take. I'm going to hit refresh and see if that does it. It does. And now I have been given a similarity reporting. This is not good. That means that 48% of my paper is plagiarized. So I'm going to hit view. All right. Welcome. I don't want to take a tour. Okay. So right now I've got the purple, which is grammar stuff. Let's get rid of that for the moment. Just by clicking the purple, I can turn that off. And now what is left is my similarity report here. Look at that. All right, so 14%. This stuff here came straight from biography. Some of it came from Course Hero. You know, I actually did not go to Course Hero to steal parts of this paper. So what this means is that somebody else went to Course Hero and copied it, and or copied it from my Wikipedia source onto Course Hero, which is more likely, or somebody took it from Course Hero and copied it into Wikipedia. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is that I copied this. All right. Got some stuff there. I didn't go to mycomicfind.com. Where's this one here? That means that somebody copied from the same source I did. So it doesn't really matter if you have sources here, what these are. Like I didn't go to Rax Books, Blogspot, or SHDB. So I guess that's Superhero Database. I didn't go to any of those sources. I went to Wikipedia up here, and then I copied this from somewhere else and just changed a few words here or there, but it still found it. Oh, look at that. I copied here, and it got away with it. All right, but copied. And even if I try to change a few words here or there, it still finds it. Okay? So what I need to do now is I need to get this percentage rate down. So I'm going to go and see the parts of my paper that are copied. I'll pull up my own paper, and I need to go put those into my own words. The problem is sometimes you're copying and don't realize you're copying. You're looking too close to your source, and then you go straight from your source to your paper, and you start typing it in, thinking you're typing it into your own words, but you're typing in almost exactly what your original source said. So this will help you find if you're accidentally doing that, or if you did like I did for my paper and just copy half of it. Okay? You can submit this as many times as you want to before the due date. Okay? You just keep changing and fixing and changing and fixing, changing and fixing. If you put a quote in there, it will find it. This is a short paper. Let's just avoid the quotes. Okay? I believe if you try more than 3 times a day, it will make you pause for 24 hours. So you want to keep that in mind. This is why I suggest you have your paper written 2 weeks into this assignment, giving you at least 2 full weeks to go through and clean it up, revise it, check for plagiarism, and things like that.